Hello everyone, welcome back to BORG Tutorials. I am Sanyokta Baghel, your ultimate guide for BORG Erp account setup. So today I am here with a new topic, that is department setting. How can you set your departments according to your work profile, your organization's norms? So let's see how you can do it. So first of all, we need to go to settings. We will click on settings and you will see over here in the bottom row, that is departments. Next is when we will click on departments, we will be heading on this page, that is the department settings. So as you can see over here, already 3 departments are here mentioned here: service department, accounts department, and billing department. So if you need, you can delete at your end, or else I am going to show you how you can add a further new one. So click on plus icon and then you will be able to add any further department. Say for example, you need to add as a HR department, then you can do like this. And then we need to update. So here the notification comes that it is done, and you can see over here the new department has been set from your end. And please note, it can be done from only your admin account. So now HR department is done. Now I will show you how you can delete any one of these. So if you want to remove this department, you want to remove this one also, accounts department, and then you need to update. So now we are having only 2 departments over here, billing team and HR department. So this is how you can add and delete any department from your end, from your admin account. And see, this is very much simple. You can do from your end and manage your departments as well in your concerned organization. So thank you very much for your patience listening and watching. If you find it useful, please like, share, and subscribe. Have a nice day.